You know what, man? I just missed the close of this net with by like 1 minute. If I could have tuned in a minute earlier, I could have grabbed my phone. I hope I'm wrong. This was the ham radio crash course net. You've seen the YouTube channel with good old Josh, and it's cool. It is what it is. He takes his YouTube channel very, very seriously, and it is what it is, man. Good for him. He's working his ass off, whether I like his channel or not. And he promoted his YouTube channel 2 or 3 times in the net closing. He mentioned his YouTube channel. Now, I'm calling ethics violation on that one, man. Not ethics violation. I'm calling the breaking of a law on that one, man. Sorry, Josh. Time to surrender your ticket there, son. You can't profit from amateur radio, silly ham. And if your YouTube channel is monetized and you're getting lots of freebies and shit sent to you, and you're making sale commissions off of, those links down below. And if you're driving the traffic to your YouTube channel with ham radio, you're violating the terms of your license here, man. I hereby call on you, sir. Forfeit your license. Take all printed copies, send them to the FCC, Josh. Yeah, a little playful seriousness and bullshit. PSB, playful seriousness and bullshit. I can't believe it, man. What say you? Be well. Hey guys, Blowzo here. Hey, Chuck here. Man, 2 nights in a row. Now I've got to talk quietly, man, because the family's gonna think I'm nuts. Like they don't already. I've been reading comments about this video finally, man. And the subs are always right. And I mean that. You know why? Because it doesn't matter what your opinion is. In your mind, you're right. Right? Of course this is true. And I just want to learn from you guys. And boy, did I tonight in these comments, man. It makes me think, why did I even present this power supply project? Well, to get people talking, using words like crisis and things like that, man. You're looking at 1970s tech. I don't know when the LM723 came about, but yeah, 70s tech. In a little bit, it comes down to philosophy. Do you keep it simple, stupid? Or do you use modern technology, meaning technology we invented 50 years ago, in voltage sensing and such? Remote voltage sensing and... Yeah, I can't sleep, man. I need help. I need help. Yeah. And that was another good suggestion. Maybe I will have shirts printed up. Give them away to you guys. Blowzo needs help. Save Blowzo. Please let me get back to sleep. 73. Hey man, check this out. I gotta be quiet. I'm using headphones. It's the middle of the night on 80 meters, man. You want to hear some snotty bastard on CW? They run their weight so goddamn high that a human being can't decode the CW. Check it out. I'm going to bring my headphones up to the camera. Hang on. Man. Can you believe that crap? I ought to connect my laptop to the rig and program it for the same weighting and key up and ask him what his deal is. Good night, guys.